Need medical treatment in the U.S.? Don't worry. You're not alone, and we've got you covered. Let's dive into how to get a B-2 visa for medical treatment and frequently asked questions. With the right guidance and strategies, we'll navigate through the challenges together and help you successfully obtain the visa. Welcome to Direct U.S. Immigration's channel, where you get direct access to our most up-to-date immigration and global mobility space. I'm an immigration attorney with almost a decade's worth of experience, and today we're going to talk about the B-2 medical visa. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Maitreya Brown, and I'm a U.S. immigration attorney based in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. I'm also the principal attorney at Direct U.S. Immigration, where we work with clients in all 50 states and around the world. Before we start, click on the like and subscribe button to follow our Immigration Hub to get the latest immigration information that could be vital to your case. Now let's dive right into the FAQs. Now, what is a B-2 visa? A B-2 visa is a non-immigrant visa issued to individuals who wish to enter the United States temporarily for tourism, family visits, or medical treatment. As a non-immigrant visa, it does not grant permanent residency, but allows for short-term stays, typically up to 6 months. Who needs a B-2 visa? Non-U.S. citizens and non-lawful permanent residents who require medical treatment that is not available in their home country often seek a B-2 visa. This visa is applicable to individuals who have been advised by a physician to undergo medical treatment or surgeries in the United States. Now let's talk about the application preparation. So documents required for the application, which is applying for the B-2 visa for medical treatment, involves gathering an array of documents, including a valid passport, a completed DS-160 form, which is the online non-immigrant visa application, a medical diagnosis from a local physician explaining the nature of the ailment and the recommended treatment, a letter from a U.S. medical facility agreeing to provide treatment and outlining the estimated duration and cost, proof of financial ability to cover all medical and living expenses while in the United States. Now, here are some important steps to follow. First is a consultation with a physician. So obtain a detailed letter from a certified physician detailing the diagnosis and necessity for treatment in the U.S. Number 2 is contact the U.S. medical facility. So secure a letter from the U.S. facility confirming their willingness to provide the required medical care along with an estimate of costs. Third is proof of financial support. Demonstrate your capability to cover medical and other expenses through bank statements or sponsorship. Now let's talk about applying for the B-2 visa. So here's a step-by-step application process. First is to complete the DS-160 form. So fill out and submit the DS-160 form online and ensure all information provided is accurate and truthful. Number 2 is pay the visa application fee. Pay the required non-refundable visa application fee through the designated payment methods. Third is schedule a visa interview. Arrange an appointment for the visa interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. Number 4 is prepare for the interview. So gather all relevant documents, including the medical reports, financial proof, and any correspondence with the U.S. medical facility. And 5th is attend the interview. Present your case clearly and provide any additional information requested by the consular officer. Now let's talk about what to expect after submission. So here's information about processing times and receiving your visa. So processing times for the B-2 visa can vary based on individual circumstances and the consulate workload. Typically, you can expect a decision within a few weeks. Approved visas will be stamped in your passport, and you can then plan your travel arrangements. Now let's talk about what if your application is denied. Denials can happen due to insufficient documentation or doubts about your intention to return to your home country. If your application is denied, the consulate will provide reasons for your denial. Depending on the circumstances, you may reapply with additional supporting documentation or appeal the decision. Securing a B-2 visa for medical treatment involves meticulous preparation and adherence to immigration guidelines. With the right documentation and clear understanding of the process, you can navigate the journey successfully. Thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to check out the caption below this video. We've got questionnaires for different types of visas so that we can help you determine which visa is most appropriate for you. And if you're traveling soon, we also have a list of some of my travel favorites. So I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe if this content or information helps you in any way. Comment below if you want me to talk about something in specific, and share this resource widely because you never know who needs answers to these questions. Additionally, if you have any specific questions about this video as they pertain to your unique circumstances, please schedule a consultation with us, also at the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.